guys, sorry, I have to continue. For this one, when you just doing, what is that, the second one, right? And then you just put the needle inside, and now on the second one you just pull it outside, and now it's changed, because if you see this one on the first signature, you just put the needle underneath, okay, and pull it through to make it like crisscross, and then poke it in on the third hole. I'm not sure if you will get what I'm trying to say, but I will show you, you will have an idea clearly on the third signature. But let me do this one. It's like a crisscross, but just yeah, just put the needle cross on the below one and just make sure that it's tight, okay? And then now make it out, put the needle out. Okay, hold on. I cannot move anything now because I just want to make the page all tight. So I will let you see after I put this one. And if you remember that we have the first signature and leave it blank, and not like leave it blank, just cut thread and leave it like an inch or so, just tie it with the second knot thread. Tie it very tight. I will do like a double knot. Okay, now it's tight. Okay, now you will see what I mean. If you see this one, the thread is not quite clear, it's like a crisscross a little bit. Okay, so this one, just leave it like that. We will put this one underneath between the signature, and then we will glue that so you will not see it. But as of right now, we will not glue anything, just put it there because we want to finish everything here first. So now we continue with the third signature. Just put it down. Continue by put the thread inside the hole, okay, pull through, and now you have to get the thread out, and you are going to do the same thing, that after the thread is going out, you have to put the needle and the thread under the one signature below. Hold on, let me grab this one. So this one, when this one is pulled through, it's very difficult to do this one by the camera, so you have an idea. If you see, this one is the second thread, so put this needle under the second thread to make sure it's crisscross. Oops, now it's not crisscross. I'm trying to make you see clearer, but now it's like tying a knot. Let me redo this. Hold on. Okay, now going down, hold on, going down on the second, pull it through to make it crisscross. Okay, now it's crisscross between the second signature, and when you see it's already crisscross, get it through on the third hole. It's a bit tight. I know now it's very difficult to do a tutorial about this one, and yeah, now it's crisscross, and hold on, let me check. Yep, okay, like this. Because I used this color, so you will not see it well, but I promise when I finish, I will take a picture for you so you can see it clearer. And another difficult one is going to be on the signature. So you have to count, because we have to tie each page to make sure that it is combined. Count underneath, count like one and two below page, and then you just use your needle going in between the thread on the first one and the second signature, and wrap and pull it through and make it a knot, and pull it like up here to make it a knot. Now continue with the fourth one. And okay, this is the fourth one. Let me check this is correct. And yeah, this is the third. Okay, this is the fourth one. Okay, so you continue doing this one the same method. I'm going to do a fourth one, and then I will continue the rest by doing like a fast forward, because otherwise my video cannot upload more than 10 minutes. I don't know how. If you have any idea, just let me know how can I upload my video to have like more than 30 minutes, because sometimes I want to do a lot of tutorials, but it's like difficult for me, because I have to cut all the video in part by part, so it's kind of difficult. Okay, so all you have to do is just this one and pull it out. This is the fourth signature now. Okay, and remember, have to make it down, tuck this one down underneath on the below third signature. Make sure that we have the right thread. Okay, so now it's crisscross, and then you just put the thread in. Book binding is very neat. So, and also I think it's kind of meditation somehow, because you have to be patient to do this one, and there is no shortcut on this one. So on the fourth one, you have to do the same. Just count down to 2. 1 through. Okay, 1, 2. So on the third, 1, 2, 3. On the 1, 2, and then just put the thread in between the thread and out. Okay, to make sure that it's combine the thread and hold it like this. And now continue to the fold and all the way go through. So I will fast forward so you will not get bored. Okay, this is the fourth one. Everything is going to be the same thing. Poke it in. It's difficult. I have to do like this.